Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, today I'm going to be reorganizing and cleaning my master bathroom. If you're new to my channel, then you might not know that I just moved into this house about 3 weeks ago, and my husband and I have really been focusing on unpacking and organizing the main living areas and the kids' rooms. So our master bathroom is a total disaster. There's boxes everywhere, and I thought today that I would try and tackle that while the kids are napping, get as much done as I can. It might take me more than one day, so if you see me in more than one outfit, that's probably why. But before I get started, I will show you everything that I bought to get it all organized. It's from Amazon, so I can easily link it in the description box if you're interested. So let's get started. Okay, so I actually bought 3 of these 2-tier drawer organizers. One of them didn't get delivered yet. I think it's coming tomorrow. But for now, I have 2 to work with. And then I bought a bunch of these small storage containers that I'm actually going to use to organize all of our medications. And then I'm going to use these chalkboard labels to label everything. I bought a whole bunch of drawer organizers. And then these I actually got at HomeGoods, 2 just sort of decorative baskets that I can use for some miscellaneous items. Those were, let's see, $7.99 each. But all the stuff from Amazon I will link down below. So, sort of embarrassed to show you this. It's a total disaster. Nothing is organized, everything's still in boxes. And this is how it's been for about 3 weeks now. So to start, I wanted to sort through this big box where I threw in all of our medications, and I divided them into 5 categories, which are pain medication, cold and flu medicine, stomach medicine, first aid supplies, and then any medicine that's for our kids. And I just put them into the bin it belonged in, and I just got rid of any medication that was a duplicate or that may be expired. Okay, next I'm going to clean out all the drawers and the cupboards in my vanity, and for this I'm using my Method all-purpose spray and a microfiber cleaning cloth. So here I'm just placing some of my drawer organizers in my top drawer, and I didn't really measure, so I just got lucky that everything fit pretty well. And here I'm just sort of sorting out my makeup into categories and placing them in the organizers. So now I'm going to organize the first of these metal 2-tier stands, and this one I thought I would use for my hair products. So I just placed all of my hair products on the bottom shelf, and then on the top I'm just putting all my hair accessories like bobby pins and elastic bands, and then my hair brushes. So I'm gonna put the rest of my products in the second 2-tier stand, and I just have some sheet masks and my facial cleansing brush, my jade roller, makeup brush cleaners, and then in the bottom I'm gonna put all my nail polish and nail polish removers, and then some other miscellaneous items. This basket I thought would be perfect for storing all of my lotions and creams. That way they'd all be contained in one place. And then I'm also gonna put my hair tools like my flat iron, my blow dryer, and my curling iron. Now I'm just gonna put away all of my items. So these stands fit perfectly in the cupboard down here, and I was hoping that basket would fit in between them, but it was too big, so I'm just gonna stick that in this big drawer. Now I'm gonna start organizing my husband's products on his stand, and up top I'm gonna be putting all of his shaving accessories. For a guy that doesn't like to shave, I had no idea he was hoarding shaving accessories. I mean, is it normal to have 5 razors? Let me know down in the comments below how many razors your husband has, but he has 5, as you can see here, and then just a ton of razor blades. So just put them all in this top shelf, and then down below I'm just putting the rest of his products. Then in the second basket, I'm just gonna store kind of the rest of the items that I had in the boxes. So that's just his shoe shine products, and then some extra toiletries and toothpaste and soap and things like that. Then I've had these glass storage containers for years. These are from Target, but I'm just going to stick in some Q-tips and then our dental flossers. We got this cabinet about a year ago from Bed Bath & Beyond, and we really liked it, so we took it with us to the new house. So I'm just gonna store the rest of our items up here. So just some feminine products, toilet paper, and then my travel makeup bags. And then I'm gonna put those glass containers with our Q-tips and flossers on the bottom part. All right, now I am going to label those bins that I organized all of our medications into. So I'm gonna use my chalkboard labels and my chalkboard markers. And I divided them into pain medication, cold and flu, stomach medicine, first aid, and then kids medications. So then I'll place these on the front of the bins, and even though I'm not going to store these in this bathroom, I thought this was a cool way to organize your medications rather than just trying to shove them all into a medicine cabinet, so I thought I would share it. Now that everything is out of the boxes, I'm just going to break them down and put them out with the recycling. Now that all of our items are unpacked and organized, I'm just going to finish cleaning the bathroom. So I'm just going to wipe down the counters and the mirrors and then the outside of the vanity. Next, I'm just going to hang some new hand towels that I got at Bed Bath & Beyond on my side and then on my husband's side. So as you can see, my daughter is now up from her nap, and yes, this is pretty much how I have to vacuum these days. She is in a very clingy phase and wants to be carried around all the time. So I'm just going to vacuum up the floor and then mop it with my Shark Steam Mop. Then I'm just putting down these small bathroom rugs that I also got at Bed Bath & Beyond. Alright, so it's a few days later and I just wanted to share how everything turned out. As you can see, it looks so much better. There's no boxes on the floor anymore. And I got a couple more things, which is why I waited a few more days to show you how everything looks. I had my husband put up this little shelf where I'm keeping all my skincare products. Since I'm now in my 30s, I'm really trying to take better care of my skin. So I thought if they were out in the open, I'd be more likely to use them on a daily basis, but this way they're not actually on the counter. And then that's just a hand towel. And then I just got this little dish so that I can keep jewelry in there. Since I leave for work so early in the morning before anyone else is awake, I can put any jewelry there the night before that I'm gonna wear to work so that I don't wake up my husband while I'm getting ready. So then here's my sink. And then I got this little white marble tray, to put our toothbrushes and toothpaste on. Just thought it made it look a little bit nicer than having them on the counter. And then there's my husband's sink. So just like a really nice clean surface, not a lot on the counters. I really like that. And then coming down here, everything is still nice and organized. So this system is really working out well. As you can see, everything's still all in its place. My makeup drawer is still organized. This drawer doesn't have much, but it's still organized. Then this basket makes it really easy just to grab whatever product I need, and then they're not all just jostled around in there. They kind of stay in place. Even my husband's side is still pretty organized. Even though this is like a little bit more random, his stuff over on the left is at least still really organized. And then we just put up this picture of us on our honeymoon. Sorry, the lighting. Really like that picture. And the hand towel. And then over there, the cabinet. I think still looks the same. Yeah, so just toilet paper and extra makeup bags and feminine products, and then we have our Q-tips and flossers right there in their containers. So that is it. I hope you really enjoyed this bathroom organization video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Bye.